In news from Pakistan, a bomb attack in a residential area of Pakistan's eastern city of Lahore killed 4 people on Wednesday, including a child, and wounded 14, police said. But there was no immediate claim of responsibility. Those wounded by a powerful blast in a residential area included local people and some police officers who were manning a checkpoint set up next to the house of Hafiz Saeed, the founder of Islamist militant group Lashkar-e-Taiba. Shrapnel and shattered glass could still be seen around the blast site around midday. Provincial Police Chief Inam Ghani said the police were investigating whether the explosives had been detonated remotely or by a suicide bomber. Saeed, who now runs a elite-linked charity, Jamat-ud-Dawa, was sentenced in November to 10 years imprisonment after being found guilty of 2 charges of financing terrorism.
मैं ड्यूटी करता हूँ यहाँ पे केकेटी में। तो जब ड्यूटी पे आए हैं, अभी मैं अंदर गया हूँ तो एकदम से आवाज़ आई ज़ोर की, पूरी बिल्डिंग हिल गई है। तो हमने कहा पता नहीं क्या हुआ, अचानक बाहर निकले, देखा तो पता चला जी ब्लास्ट हो गया यहाँ पे। तो एकदम से इतना खौफ तारी हो गया यहाँ पे, सारी दुनिया जो है बाहर निकला है घरों से। ये बिल्डिंग के सारे शीशे टूट गए हैं, तो घर तबाह हो गए हैं कुछ, तो बहुत नुकसान हुआ है।